Do I look Glossier? Is it approved? I love my necklaces though. I forgot my rings, you guys. Okay, hold on, I forgot my rings. We're getting ready to head out. We're getting ready to go to do this. Ooh, the light, how's the light here? So we're getting ready to go to the Glossier store. I've seen it, but I've never been there. And I'm really excited because there are some things I want to swatch and touch in person. Why am I out of breath? I need to do more cardio. Let me get my rings. I really was hoping to show you my makeup because I did some cute little freckles and stuff. This lighting's not doing me any justice. Please hold. I just feel like a Glossier girl has that certain aesthetic. And I did like really natural. I'm not even wearing foundation today, you guys. I did like a lip stain on my lips, some faux freckles, some blush, a little bit of highlight, some fluffy brows, and we're good to go. This is my outfit today. I love these shoes. I'm sure I'm gonna get hate for them because I feel like people hate these kind of shoes, but honestly, I'm short and I love it. I'm wearing some boyfriend jeans, you know. All right, I feel cute, so whatever. But I want to look at the dark ones. They have a black one. I kind of want to try it on. I'm gonna try it on. Okay, these I'm gonna look at too.
Having fun or no?
Something bad. What happened? Matcha. 3. days. Matcha and a coconut here.
Wait, you can what?
Matcha and a coconut here.
Oh, I think we should get that. Oh, we should get that. Matcha and a coconut.
I think you don't.
I do.
No, you're not.
Yes.
You want to throw that in there?
Yeah. Oh look, I'm throwing all of our ex-friends away. In the trash.
Alright guys, I just got home and still got a little bit of my matcha left. Holla. I want to show you guys everything that I got today at Glossier. So this is my little Glossier bag and it even has my name on it. You look good, with a smiley face. And here's the little bag. I definitely will reuse this bag. So I had been looking at some of stuff online at Glossier and then I was like, wait a minute, Amanda, there's a store here. Why don't you go and check it out? That's why I decided to just go in the store and go check it out in person, and I thought it'd be really fun to film, and it was just a random video idea that I had. So I'm glad that I went there. It was so much fun. The store is so beautiful, so freaking cute. I love the aesthetic. I love the idea behind the store, and it just felt really warm and friendly, and I really liked that. It's such a different experience than shopping at like Sephora or Ulta. I don't know how to explain it. It was just a different experience. All right, so they're in these cute little baggies. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. So this is the Glossier You perfume solid. It's like a little perfume solid. It's a solid perfume, duh, what it says. But it smells so good. It's really cute. And then you just slide it open and you have your perfume. How cute is that? Thought it'd be really cool for travel. Oh, it smells so good. All right, next little bag I have is, oh my gosh, okay, so this is some skincare. I got the bubble wrap. This is an eye and lip plumping cream, and I saw this when they launched it and I've really been wanting to try it. This is the packaging and it's an eye and lip cream, but it felt really good. So all of the images they have for this online when they marketed it was like foamy and bubbly, but it's not. It's actually like an actual cream, like an eye cream, and it comes with a little pump. So I'll put a little bit on the back of my hand for you guys. It's like an actual cream. It's not foamy at all, because all of the marketing images, it just make it look like little bubbles, which are super cute. I also picked up the Glossier Milky Oil. It's a waterproof makeup remover, and online they described it more of like a bioderma, like a micellar water, but it does have some oil in it, so you do have to shake it up. But I used it in the store and I liked it. And then I also picked up the Milky Jelly Cleanser conditioning, I can't talk, face wash. And this I didn't smell or try my hand at the store. I had just been wanting to try this out, and I have been using the Fresh Soy Cleanser. That's one of my staples for so long, and I feel like this is one of their more popular products, so I wanted to give it a go. Ooh, next are lip products. So I got 2 lip glosses. I actually have the clear lip gloss, and I bought that when I bought the Boy Brow. I bought the Boy Brow and a lip gloss, and the clear lip gloss is really cute, but it's super sticky, so that's the only thing I don't like about their lip glosses. But I got the red one. It's called Red Rouge, I think. The font is super tiny. Yeah, Red Rouge. So it's just a tinted red gloss. So I got the red one. This is a new color. I had to try more lip products. I want to see if these are as sticky as the original, because the original gloss is very sticky. It's really pretty. I don't really like sticky glosses. And then I also got the holographic one, which is in the shade Holographic. Oh, didn't even know that. But there we go. Simple marketing. It's really pretty. It has all kinds of shimmer in it. I hope it looks good on. This is one of those products I was like, I just want to buy it because it's sparkly. And on my hand, it looked cute, but we got to see if it looks cute on the lips. Oh my gosh, so many lip products. Are these all lip products? Okay, no, there are more makeup products too. So I got the Brow Flick in the shade Brown. The reason I got this is because I've been obsessed with the Urban Decay Brow Blade. So pretty much it's like a felt tip for your brows. You can just make little hair-like strokes, and I love thicker, fluffier brows. So it's just like a little pen. Like it literally looks like a felt tip pen. So I got that in brown, and I actually got the Brow Duo because it saves you money to get this with the boy brow. So I got the boy brow, which I love, also in brown. I've used that a million times. And then I also got another boy brow in the shade Black because I really wanted to try it. I've never seen like a pomade, I've never used a pomade in black, but my brow hairs are black. So maybe if I want a more bold brow, I can use the black one, but I really wanted to try that. I also got the Lash Slick, which is a mascara. It's supposed to give you like a lash lengthening effect, but we shall see, because my lashes aren't as thick as they used to be because of eyelash extensions, but I feel like I just care more about length, to be honest with you. So let's look at the inside, because I didn't see, okay, I love these kind of applicators. I didn't see the applicator in the store because they like cut it off so no one uses it for hygiene purposes. And then I also got 2 sheer matte lipsticks. I got these, they're not extremely pigmented, but I got them because I might actually try one. Well, I don't know if it'll go with my lip pencil right now, but I got the shade Leo, and then I got the shade Cake. So these were the 2 nude shades. They had some really pretty berry ones too, but this is what it looks like. And Leo is a brown shade. I think I swatched it in the store. Well, I don't want to swatch it right. Well, I'll swatch it. I just don't have any makeup wipes near me. But like I'm going over a bunch of times, and like you can see it's sheer. It's almost like a lip stain. So I wanted this for more natural days where I just want a flush. And then Cake is lighter. It's more of a peachy color, because usually I'll just dab a matte lipstick in the center of a lip pencil if I want that kind of look. So I've never really tried a color or a formula like these before. And here's the Cake one. It's lighter. I'll swatch it next to it if you can see it. Oh my gosh, this is the last bag. I feel like I went through it so fast. Okay. In this bag we have, what do we have in here? Ooh, okay, so I got the Perfecting Skin Tint. Lately I've been mixing a foundation with an illuminating balm like Pat McGrath. I love that foundation mixed with like the Bobbi Brown balm. I've done it before on Instagram and on my channel. So I want to try it. It's like no coverage at all, but whenever I don't wear makeup, I got G9 by the way. Whenever I don't wear makeup, I feel like I would just need some pigmentation, like some even skin tone, like just to, what am I trying to say? I'm just trying to even out my skin tone when I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. So I really wanted to try this because I, in the past, am not into things like this, but I was already, you know, shopping and I was like, throw it in the bag, let's try it out. So I picked it up. Oh, I'm really excited about this. I got one of the cloud paints. They're really, really cute. This little box is cute too. I got the shade Storm. I hope they make more shades because they had cool ones, but I feel like I need some more like mid-tone, mauve-y neutral shades. But I got the shade Storm. This is a rosy color, so this can be for eye, lip, cheek, whatever you want. It's just a seamless cheek color blush, but I think they also market it for like lips or whatever you want. But I really want to try this as a blush because I love this kind of a rosy vibe on the cheeks, especially with like your skin showing through. I think it's just so fresh. And then I think this is the last product and I'm sad. Okay. I got the Priming Moisturizer Rich Luxurious Face Cream. They have 2. They have one that kind of looks like Summer Fridays in a squeeze tube, but this, I think this is the newer one, but if not, it's the more hydrating one and I'm more normal to dry. So I picked this little guy up. I've been looking at it online and the reviews were really good online. I feel like people liked this more than the original, but it smells pretty good too, and it felt so good in the store. It's very like, I can smell the lavender. It has lavender in it and I love lavender. We have one more thing in the bag, and it is a doggy toy. They had this one and a mascara, and I know what you're thinking. Why did you just get one? You have 2 dogs. Well, Molly steals everything from Aspen, and we always buy 2 toys, but I was just like, it's not really necessary because Molly's gonna steal it anyways. But this is a bomb.com. Oh my gosh, I got a bomb.com. Did they give it to me? I think they forgot it, you guys. I literally bought one. I bought the cherry one, and it's not there. All right, that is everything from my Glossier haul. Let's go give the girls this little toy. I'm just gonna tell you right now that it's just gonna be Molly. Like, it's literally just gonna be Molly playing with this. I'm just gonna warn you. Squeak, I got you a new toy. I got you a new toy. Look how cute. Look at her stand here. Are you gonna play with it, or are you just gonna, okay. She won't let you play, huh?